Wahala in paradise as Peter Okoye and im wife Lola marriages don dey get ikelek yo. Hello my correct people dem, welcome back to my channels. If una dey new, una welcome, una dey old, una super duper welcome. Alright, just help me check below. You see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Hey, wahala. That's why I thought say all this nyash where all these celebrities and they do. Now in they make some, they go say, me too, they go do them, because they go just they carry the nyash, they pepper people up and down. See Mercy Eke, the kind of rock king where she the rock person husband. Ha! If na me be the wife, I no go take am off. For waiting now, we go come the rock person husband John Thomas like this. And people can say, it be like say these people panty don dey shift to this their dance, so they dance and the thing is just on another level. E kuku be like say Peter Okoye and his wife marriages don dey shake yo. My correct people dem, I go show una the reason why I say the marriage she don dey shake. The thing surprise me, my correct people dem, because they really need to stick together, because this their marriage don't really get gbas. Titile they say na Lola na separate am from him brothers and his sisters. Abi get sisters, I no know. He say na she separation am from him family. So them they need to stand well. They need to work on their differences. So this their marriage cannot end in shame yo. No. Well, husband and wife they everly get gbas later they go settle. I believe say na one of those gbas be this. But the one wey Mercy Eke go the rock person husband John Thomas, na that one I never say understanding. Which kind of romantic tiki dance be this yo with person the husband no? This one no be rough play be that. Me too I can't say reason for my mind yo. Wiseness no go buy me. I can't the reason say these celebrities they like to cloud chase. If it be like saying Peter want do music with Mercy Eke, so they just want to use that video, take carry shake ground small. It's possible, the brother Paul be don't do music with Mercy Eke, we don't use Mercy Eke as a video vixen. So it's possible say Peter too won't use Mercy Eke as a video vixen, so they just want to do that video to carry shake ground small. Because I don't know anything to think here again, because if I think like this, I think like that, now cause it to my kuku carry and go that way, because the dance is just on another level. Like a married man dancing like that with another woman in the club, no, it's totally unacceptable. All right, so my correct people, then what should I put for the video? Alright, so my correct people, them that video just come out on the trend online, but I don't know whether because of the video or they get another issue for hand. Alright, so on Father's Day, where many celebrities they wish their husband Father's Day, she no wish her husband, not only her papa, now she wish she Father's Day. Okay, una no say her papa don't buy. Yes, so her papa don't buy, her papa no day again, but she still they remember him even for him birthday, she celebration and for Father's Day too, she got celebration she say happy Father's Day to my darling papa. This is the first Father's Day without you present physically. The heart cuts deep, the tears keep flowing, the sadness linger, but the memories comfort me. You are indeed the best father a girl could ask for. I think of you every day. I miss your smile, your kind, not judgmental words, your warm hugs and firm pats on the cheek. Rest easy, Papa, and continue to watch over us. I love you. Mama loves you and misses you so much, and does Visia. Your grandkids all will never forget you. They always speak so kindly about their loving grandpa. They miss you too. Come put love emoji, come put emoji we don't break, come put many emojis. Can say hashtag papa, hashtag my hero, hashtag oh papa, oh motoya, sleep well, Father's Day, best father. Alright, so my correct people them. she no wish her husband happy Father's Day, just like many people wish their husbands happy Father's Day. So her husband don't wish himself, yo. If you no wish me I go wish myself. No be small thing, yo. So in post so in children pictures. Now the pictures now they see so post in children pictures, post in own self picture, post in wife picture. So me I come dey talk say tell na him bad pass na if I follow post him wife picture but he no post. So na only him and him children pictures na he post come follow wish himself happy Father's Day. Now wow, no be small thing yo. Alright, mo na see the message share wey wish himself. He say happy Father's Day, dey Okoyes. Now come dey talk say this one no be drama so. I go settle only your children picture, wish yourself, put your wife on. But they get family pictures so where they snap all of them together. Oh, no be only this one where they here. Oh, there plenty where they snap as a family. Now come they talk say abi don dey shele abi na this Mercieke video. No, this Mercieke video just start to dey rain recently, so I no sure say na the video, but the video self no make sense at all because many Nigerians don't shook mouth for the matter say how married man go dey do this kind of thing. See even waiting Mercy wear self. No, it's not right at all. So she dey club, they spray money up and down. No be small thing, no big girls things. Alright, so my character so wetin people come dey talk. This person here say is the married one that is disrespecting himself and family. Mercy surely has nothing to lose, but Peter has everything to lose. To every single lady out there, may we not marry a man that will be disgracing us up and down. Then the second person says, so dancing with someone is disrespectful. Did he tell you he's sleeping with her? Is your own contest. What's usually happen in a clubhouse is not dance and drink. Did the wife not know him already? Did she tell you she is being disrespected? What about all the dance videos he has shot with many girls? Look, that was why he married a matured woman, one who understands him. Alright, so another person here can tell say story, and she tied his hands to a pole. Abi, he should be the one to respect himself, family and wife. That if you want to talk about respect. My person can reply Asokwo say it does both ways. Mercy twins he's a married man, so why doing that to a married man? And if not, so what exactly is she looking for? Sets of yeye British. Okay, another person come provocation say which one is this? Is so disrespectful. The married man that doesn't know he is married, yet he is openly disrespecting himself, family and village people. And besides, when he told his wife he is going to club, what does she expect? He is going there for praise and worship. We people put your blame on women are like Buhari and Shock. Mercieke, your name mad onto the rain for people husband. Just last month they accused you with footballer Aaron. Now again, now you and P Square, the rocky for inside club B. Now well, maybe it's just a harmless dancey, but the body language is just on another level. How your wife go they feel now? With this video where they fly around and with all the negative things where people they talk. So I told her I'm bad party husband. Peter no try, is supposed to respectation her, supposed to behave like that. Anyway, maybe because I say they get palaba for house, that's why he no even care, or whether the video bring palaba, now that one night I don't know. But my own be say may they try settle their differences so that their enemies they no go laugh at them because many basbos don't fly around for this their marriages, just as I've been telling now early, we be say they need to reconciliation, not just between two of them but also between the brothers where they don't grow up together for one family, sleep for one belle. Now today they don't become enemies. We be say they no one carry eye see their self again. I never see family where get in mind like this family before. Maybe now because I say they be celebrities, so but I no go lie una, even for physical I never see say brothers so they go just dey like that, yo. They go just bone each other. Wow, they get mine, yo. Well, when they say to me reach everywhere, me reach everywhere, now my own be that. Alright, to my great people, them make una thank you so super much for watching. Me wanna try stay beautiful, oh. Me wanna bye.